Food debate, which one is healthier? Apples or oranges? Let's discuss. Apples, the pros. A good source of fiber, which is good for your digestion, vitamin B, and malic acid, which helps maintain healthy teeth and help neutralize the acid in your stomach. The cons. It has a higher natural sugar content than oranges. Also, apple juice tends to undergo processing, which reduces the amount of fiber that it naturally has. Oranges, the pros. Folate. It helps you produce red blood cells, which keeps your cells healthy, which is very important during pregnancy. Also, good old vitamin C, which we all know is great for the immune system and helps with the absorption of iron. The cons. They're really high in acid, which in abundance can cause bloating, nausea, even diarrhea. The winner? Oranges. But it depends on your personal health needs. Make them both a part of your diet, but both in moderation.